This is Poncho with Xinhua News Agency, reporting from Florence, Italy. Food is one of the most important symbols of Italian popular country, and for many Italians, pasta is an integral part of life. Italy remains the leading consumer of pasta globally, at over 23 kilograms of pasta annually for each person on average. Today, I've got to find a local restaurant here to find how they love the pasta. And in terms of the most popular pasta dishes, spaghetti is a favorite worldwide, according to the Union Italian Food. And there is a kind of pasta in Florence just seems like the Xinjiang noodles. Let's have a try. Can you just give me some introduction of the pici?
Yeah, that's pici. It's a Tuscany kind of pasta. It's typical from Tuscany. A kind of pasta has a lot of centuries in history. And it's a most simple kind of pasta because there's no eggs. Always fresh pasta in Italy has eggs inside. This is only flour, water, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So it's very simple and it's made by hand, one by one. By hand is very long to do, but yeah, it's very typical, very historic kind of pasta from Tuscany.
Nice. Pasta is a typical cuisine of Italy. There is also a kind of pasta in Xinjiang of China. Now please follow my colleague to Xinjiang to see what is it.
I'm Zhao Chenjie with Xinhua News Agency. I'm now in a restaurant in Urumqi in China's Xinjiang. Now here, we have a dish bammian, which is also one of the most popular dishes you can find in Xinjiang. Bammian consists of boiled noodles served with flavorful sauces. It is a staple on multi-ethnic people's dinner tables. Now, let's see how a chef makes a bowl of mutton bammian at this restaurant. The traditional way of making bammian noodles is to break the dough into small pieces and knead them into strips. Then, hold on both ends and shake strips up and down to shape evenly thick, long noodles. Rubbing and kneading are the most time-consuming procedures before a bowl of hand-pulled bammian noodles reaches the table. It requires an adequate amount of strength to knead strips with both hands. Otherwise, the noodles won't be even in size. The boiled noodle will be plunged into hot water first and then dipped into cold water to make it more elastic.
欢迎来新疆来品尝地道的新疆大条子，特别的筋道，挺好吃的，炫就完了，炫到饱。
来新疆不尝拌面，你就不算来新疆，好吧？
Xinjiang bammian not only can be savored in a restaurant, but it's also a popular street food. Next time, if you have a chance to visit Urumqi, do not hesitate to try the dish.